Well, the content and the expertise is very good. We really, well, personally, I really learn a lot. And I believe me and my team have picked up a lot. And you only show that, there's a lot more things that needs to be done. You also given us some ways to further help us justify things that we feel needs to be part of our defenses. And also another part of your material have also shown us a way to convince our partners in our other units like our infrastructure in terms of maximizing existing tools and better use of these tools to further protect the bank.